Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'll share with you another new airdrop earning opportunity from OpenLoot, where they are sharing $1 million in rewards in Trump tokens, and the campaign name is Trump Billionaires Club. Now the pre-registration is open, so you can participate and earn rewards. So basically this campaign is for the official Trump mobile game, which is coming soon. You can join the waitlist now and participate in this huge prize pool. To participate in this campaign, I'll provide a Telegram link in the description, so click on this link and then you will be redirected to this page. Here you will see the pre-register button. Simply click on it and then the sign up page appears. You have the option to sign up using Google, Apple, Discord or Twitter. I'll select Google here and select my email and continue. After that, it will ask you to select your country, so select your country. Then you need to select your date of birth. After selecting it, click on continue. Next, it will ask you to enter your username, so enter your username. Then check all these three boxes and click on continue. And done. As you can see, our pre-registration is complete. Now what to do next? Here you will find your referral link, which you can share with your friends and family to earn points. You will receive 20 points for pre-registering and 25 points for each user you refer who pre-registers. You will also receive 50 points for one level downline referrals who pre-register and hold one or more Trump coins. Now scroll down a bit and here you will see the transfer section. Here they mention transfer 1 Trump token into your total balance account and receive 200 leaderboard points. You must have Trump in your account when the leaderboard ends to secure the points. So if you want, you can buy and transfer the token from here. Also scroll down a bit more and here you will see the leaderboard section with the top points gainers list. And here you will also see the reward section. Climbing higher on the leaderboard may earn you more Trump and also boost you into higher reward tiers, unlocking even more exclusive prizes. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Please like the video, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Goodbye.